Fish on. Oh, fish on. What is up, everybody? Fish Hawk here. Hope you guys are having a great day. If you're new here, consider subscribing. I put out new videos every single week. In this video, I'm doing some creek fishing for trout. It is a cold winter day, high of about 35 degrees. And as the day goes on, the temp is actually going to drop. The sun's out right now. Hopefully it stays that way, and it's a little breezy. The creek here looks really good. It's got a good flow to it, and it's pretty clear. I was out fishing all day yesterday and caught one fish, so hopefully today I can do a little better and get some in the net. Stay tuned. Today I got my 6-foot light Fish Hawk rod, Shimano Ultegra 1000 reel, 6-pound test P-line fluorocarbon. Down on this end I have a little brown trout crankbait, our brown trout cannibals. Let's find out. Fish on. Let's go. First trout of the day, beautiful wild brown, right around 12 inches. All right, guys, we are on the board with a 12-inch wild brown. Pretty good run right here. Let's see if there's another one hanging out. Definitely getting a little ice build up on the rod tip. It's not too bad yet. I sure hope the sun stays out. Feels pretty good. Oh yeah, here comes the wind. Fish on. Oh, easy there, buddy. Don't get me wet. It's too cold for that. Come here. Come here. Oh, yeah. Second brownie of the day, right around 11 inches. All right, guys. 2 brownies in the net. Let's see if we can add to the total. Hey, I caught a shell. Look at that. Little, I don't know, a little freshwater clam or something. It's cool. This creek is loaded with those things. That's probably why it's so clear all the time. 2 fish so far. Gonna keep working my way upstream. Oh, fish on. Holy moly. That was an aggressive take. Oh, let's go. Third brownie of the day, right around 11 inches. This is a really good hole right here. Got some depth to it, got some current flowing into it. Got some structure, some roots over there, a log. Perfect spot for one to be hanging out. Oh, there's gotta be one in here. Oh, dang. Fish on. Nicest brownie of the day, right around 13 inches. Just caught the nicest fish of the day so far from this run right here. Right as I netted that fish, my GoPro battery died, so I was lucky to get that catch on video. Let's keep it going. All right, guys, I'm gonna do a water temp check. It looks like the air temp is right at 36 degrees. All right, let's drop it down, leave it in there for a little bit. So air temp was like 36 and water temp is right around 40. Felt like a bite. Fish on. Let's go. I thought I was stuck for a sec. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, yeah. Just caught the nicest one of the day, right at 14 inches. Beautiful. All right, guys, just caught a beautiful 14-inch wild brown trout, best fish of the day. I just got done fishing this whole section, probably 150-yard long section. It's just slow, deep, and not much movement to it. Didn't catch a single fish all the way up through here. I got up here, and it's starting to look more like a creek. It's starting to skinny up a little bit, get a little current to it, and that's where I caught that fish. So maybe I can get some more fish up through here. Right over there is where I was standing when I caught that 14-inch brown trout, but I couldn't wade any farther. It was too deep and I couldn't go around because of that cliff, so I had to go all the way back downstream, find a place that was shallow enough to cross, and then walk all the way up this bank. Now that I'm on this side, I can walk up along here and fish this good looking run right here, so hopefully we can pull some more out. Fish on. It's a little fella. We'll take it though. Pretty little brownie, right around 10 inches. All right, guys, that is going to do it for today. Had a lot of fun. Didn't catch a lot of fish, but caught a couple decent ones. This time of year, fishing is tough, so I'll take what I can get. I think we answered the question, are trout cannibals? I'll leave all the information down in the description for the gear I used. If you guys are new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also give me a thumbs up. It'll really help me out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Fish Hawk out.